Your first warn weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
It was another bright and sunny day across the state line today. This time around, our temperatures were a little bit cooler following the passage of a cold front yesterday. Many spots ended up in the low 70s. That included 72 in Freeport, 72 in Galena, 71 in Rochelle and DeKalb for their high temperatures. Meanwhile, Rockford ended up at 74 for the afternoon. Part of why it felt so cool and comfortable was because of our lower dew points as well. That cold front having cleared a lot of the humidity down to our south as high pressure sits almost directly overhead. That's also helping to keep our skies clear. Along with those lower dew points, though, we are going to see cooler temperatures tonight. Clear skies across a pretty broad region with high pressure taking hold, sitting across the area, keeping our skies clear and also leading to very calm winds that continue into the night tonight as well. With our SkyTrack camera, we saw plenty of the sunshine earlier. You see the time lapse out there in Poplar Grove showing off a few of these fair weather cumulus clouds, but otherwise we didn't see much in the way of cloud cover throughout much of the daytime, and that continues even here late into the night. Temperatures, however, are already starting to fall. We're down to 59 already in Rockford, 60 degrees in Sterling, 61 in Dixon, 60 in Poplar Grove, as well as in Harvard, and 59 in DeKalb. Cooler temperatures expected with our lower dew points. That's the case with our weather watcher Terry in Genoa as well. Already his dew point sitting at 54 degrees along with a temperature of 60, winds out of the east around 5 miles per hour. Fairly light winds along with those lower dew points and clear skies is what's going to be allowing our temperatures to fall a bit further into the night tonight. We're down to 51 in Rockford underneath mostly clear skies. A fairly chilly night considering for this time of year, and winds will also be very light, fairly light and variable as a matter of fact for many of us. We do see those winds start to pick up a bit as we head into the daytime tomorrow, though. Coming out of the southeast around 5 to 15 miles per hour, that'll bring our temperatures back into the 70s. We will see a bit more sunshine early on in the day, but that will then be followed by increasing cloud cover, mainly in the upper levels toward the second half of the afternoon and into the evening. The Futurecast keeps us clear of precipitation, however, until we get into late Monday night into early Tuesday morning. Most of the storms will start to develop across portions of Iowa where better moisture quality will remain. Eventually, some of those storms may spill over into our region heading into Tuesday morning, and we may see a little bit of a showery start to Tuesday afternoon before we get some dry time for the later part of the afternoon and early evening. However, then along a trailing cold front, we'll see our next storm chances developing once again across portions of Iowa where better moisture quality starts off, and those will be in a weakening fashion as they get closer to the area because that cold front will be coming through after sunset, leading to a little bit of a lower potential for any severe weather here locally. Nonetheless, the Storm Prediction Center has placed many areas along and west of Interstate 39 underneath a level 1 out of 5 or a marginal risk for severe weather, mainly Tuesday evening and going into the nighttime hours. A level 2 out of 5 risk exists across portions of Iowa. That cold front bringing that potential chance for some storms does settle off to our south as we head into Thursday. That eventually then lifts back north as a warm front sometime Thursday during the daytime, bringing us the next potential for at least a few chances for some storms, mainly in the form of isolated showers. So heading into the 4th of July, this is kind of what we're looking at, mainly a range of high temperatures from around 80 to 85 degrees. Low temperatures expected to be around 65 to 70 degrees. We will see mostly cloudy skies and a scattered chance for an isolated shower or storm or two, but we are at least keeping the potential eye on those storms, especially for many of those outdoor plans. 76 degrees for tomorrow, a bit more sunshine early on. Next chances for rain moving in Monday night into Tuesday, then Tuesday evening with that potential for some stronger storms. Warmer for the middle part of the week, but that does come with our back and forth rain chances before we start drying out heading into the weekend.